Are you concerned about how taxes will impact your retirement savings? Well, you're not alone. Taxes can be one of the biggest drains on your wealth once you're retired, but there are smart strategies to minimize that burden. Today, we're diving into how annuities can help you minimize taxes in retirement. Stick around, because we're going to look at how annuities can work for you, how to optimize them, and why gold IRAs might actually be a better option to safeguard your wealth. Now, before we get into the details, I want to mention something really important. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next couple of weeks, click the first link in the description to access a free gold IRA guide. It's a must-read for retirees with $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k, or even if you've got upwards of $5 million in savings. This guide will show you why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to keep their wealth safe from rising taxes and market instability. All right, let's get into how annuities work in minimizing taxes during retirement. Annuities are financial products that provide you with a stream of income, usually for the rest of your life. They can be a great option for retirees because they offer predictable, reliable income. However, here's the thing that most people don't realize. The way you withdraw from an annuity can have a significant impact on your taxes. When you invest in an annuity, the money you contribute grows tax deferred. This means you don't have to pay taxes on your gains while the money is in the annuity. However, once you start taking distributions, the money is taxed as ordinary income, which is often at a higher rate than long-term capital gains tax. So, while annuities can help you delay taxes, you need to be strategic about when and how you withdraw to minimize the impact. One strategy to reduce taxes with annuities is to coordinate your withdrawals with other income sources. For example, let's say you have Social Security benefits or pension income. If you start withdrawing from your annuity when you're in a lower income bracket, such as early in retirement, before you begin taking larger required minimum distributions from other retirement accounts, you can pay less in taxes overall. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. While annuities can offer some tax benefits, there's another option you might want to consider: gold IRAs. Unlike annuities, which are subject to the volatility of traditional markets, gold IRAs allow you to store your wealth in physical gold, a time-tested asset. Not only do gold IRAs offer protection from inflation and market downturns, but they also come with tax advantages that can far outshine what an annuity offers. With a gold IRA, your investment grows tax-deferred, just like an annuity, but the difference is in how it's protected from the volatility of the dollar and the impact of economic instability. While annuities can be a good option for those looking for guaranteed income, they're not always the best solution for long-term wealth preservation. And if you're serious about protecting your wealth, a gold IRA might be the ultimate way to keep your retirement savings growing in the face of tax increases, market crashes, and other unpredictable forces. If you're looking for the best strategy for your retirement, combining a gold IRA with annuities could give you the best of both worlds. You can use an annuity for predictable income, while a gold IRA provides a hedge against taxes and market risks. And if you haven't considered a gold IRA yet, trust me, it's time to start thinking about how it can be the most secure option for protecting your wealth. So, before you make any decisions about your retirement accounts, I highly recommend checking out the Gold IRA Guide. It's perfect for retirees with $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k, or those with over $5 million in savings. If you want to ensure your wealth is protected and properly managed, this guide will show you exactly how to do it. Remember, taxes in retirement don't have to eat away at your savings if you know how to navigate your options. With annuities and gold IRAs, you can minimize taxes and ensure your wealth lasts as long as you do.